Today, I'm switching up the scenery a bit. I'm about to drive down to Columbus, Ohio to help my homie Shaq create his dream room. His apartment is super aesthetic, but by his own admission, he's neglected his room. He just spent about $1,000 on Amazon, so we have a lot of work to do. In the end, the results turned out amazing, so make sure to stay tuned to see how we built his dream room in 24 hours. So y'all, if I'm being honest, it's a huge day because you can see there's packages on packages stacked up on the wall. You wanna come out here and then run us through what we gotta do today?
So what we're doing today, we're building a dresser, 2 side tables, a new clothing rack as well, and the new shoe cabinet slash shelf. We have bed sheets to do. We have another shoe rack that's over there. We need to film that as well. We have ashtrays to do, but I'm not using them for smoking because I don't smoke. I'll use them for my jewelry and all that good.
I hate to cut him off. He has a lot of shit. He has a lot of shit.
I have like around 10 to 15 items, but I don't know if we're gonna build them all tonight. The objective really is to get the bedroom through and to just declutter.
You're gonna declutter the closet and hang everything up.
No.
Whoa, we didn't say all that.
You should. You should do a time lapse.
Check out the content, but then again, I just have a lot of shit. That's gonna be another video for you to tune into.
All right, y'all, so we're gonna get to it. We got a lot of work ahead of us. I'm just gonna set up the camera, kind of get a BTS of everything. It'll probably be a time lapse. Just stick along.
If I had a kid, or found out that I'm having a kid, posting 50 times a day, clothing brand we dropping next month. Amazon, brand deals, family chat. But listen, when I tell you, I would have at least 50 M's in my account. Oh, something is wrong.
What?
You know what I'm saying?
Why is that like that? It's uneven somehow. We don't know how. Now quickly, to give y'all some context, we breezed through building this clothing rack. Everything was done and literally the last piece wasn't fitting. Let me tell y'all, it took us over an hour to fix. So this next clip is literally about 2.5 hours later because with all the extra time and energy we wasted, we needed to get some food in us. Don't be fooled, nothing goes perfectly to plan when rebuilding your room. Okay, with the next. Y'all, we've been getting shit done. This is like, I guess our third thing that we've done so far. We're gonna stand it up and show you in a second. But we also did this clothing rack. It took longer than it was supposed to, just because one piece was the wrong way. Literally one piece. For tonight, we only have, what, 2 more things to do?
Yeah. Jeez Louise, my girl is sleeping right now, so I'm trying to be like a mouse in a trap, you know, when the cheese is on the trap. Not trying to get caught with the mic on.
Yes, it's on.
Right here we have the 2 side tables and we have the dresser that we're gonna divide and conquer. My thing is I'll do one side table and Dre will do the other one at the same time, so we just get it knocked out on the edges of the thing, and then I'm gonna set it up for you guys.
Another 2 thrust them. They're nice, they glide smooth. We had another hiccup halfway through. Maybe you should read the instructions for the lesson. Does this happen twice now?
I appreciate this guy, because without him I don't think I'd be done with all this.
Okay, let's get this big boy out of the way and wrap this up for the night.
Yes.
This is like cow dad. Yeah, I'm not exaggerating either. It is 3 a.m. My lord. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it goes all the way to the doors. Anyways, yeah, we got a little bit of cleaning up to do, but I feel like that's gonna be the quickest part out of all of it. Yeah. So y'all, you can hear the vacuum running in the back. It is obviously the next day because we got some sunlight going, but this is the progress on what we got going with just like cleaning everything up. We got all of the new things that we put together. Shelf number 1, side tables, that's a bedside dresser number 2, or bedside table I mean, and then that's the actual dresser right there.
Oh, the man them getting shit done, business decisions, just great melodies, putting him to use right now, you know, because if he wasn't here I would be done with half of the shit that
he's been working me hard, I'll tell you that. Like this is the current situation we got going on in the bedroom. Hella shoes on the ground. And then we're moving these out right now because we want to move in that new display shelf that's right there in front of us. Before we do that though, we should show off the way you just went crazy on designing this, bro. And like,
we got Shorty's off-white bag. One of her favorite bags. She's always wear this. I wear these Docs all the time. This is my favorite shoe ever. But if you look closely, the gold and then the orange kind of ties in the black and black. You know what I'm saying? We got the orange pop of color, but we also have the green. Orange and green is a great combo. Then we have the gray pot right here, but we also have the silver briefcase. Remember the orange was up here earlier, but we also have the orange in the laces, so the oranges are tying in. We got the green, so remember, the green was up here, now it's down here, right? Down here we have a little bit of yellow. The yellow matches the yellow on the shoe right here. It has like a slight yellow tint, right? And on that beige yellow timing.
it's what cooking right now.
The brown, you just have the AirPod case. That was just like a filler. Might switch that, but black on the wheels, just all ties in. Again, you just gotta know your pieces because we're gonna insert a picture actually, of how the shelf looked before I cooked.
Yeah, so that one's done. I got it in the bag. Now we gotta do this clothing rack. It is 140. We should be done this by like 225. Let's get to it.
It's from fucking Walmart, so what do you expect that?
No, it's actually crazy. I didn't even notice that till now.
Look at this.
Quick little update. Shit. We haven't shot the video for this. He just kind of put this in here because it looked good with new clothing rack. But we finished shooting the clothing rack. Got it decored up. He did grab a few pieces from this case over here to throw over here. But that's done. So now we got 2 down and 3 to go, but I personally don't think we're gonna take too long. So right now we're putting a quick pause in the work and the grind that we're doing because, you know, we gotta eat. I don't want to speak for him, but I'm starving.
Well, you're starving. You didn't say shit. You were just there doing the work. This thing is not gonna be like, yo, Shaq, I'm hungry. Let's take a break and eat. Nah.
Nah, I figured in my head, bro, like the hunger goes away when it's grind time.
Oh, listen here, buddy. I am conditioned to not eating until 6 p.m. So
Okay, liberal sissy hands.
liberal sissy hands. You got liberal sissy hands. But us being us, we're gonna fry some eggs to add to our sandwiches.
Yeah, this is my thing. I got a little turkey sandwich, spinach, some carrots in there, some red onions. Oh, look, there's one more piece of bacon, which I don't eat. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Shaq, you can have that.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
And then he got, what'd you get?
These.
I'm not going to entertain that. Yes.
No.
But you got another BLT?
Yeah. But peep, I'm going to add fried egg on this side, fried egg on that side. I love my protein, bro.
You see the grub. We got some good eats today. But we're going to go ahead and kill this as fast as possible so we can get back to work. We just laid it on top just to kind of like feel it out. I don't know. I really vibe with this. But the problem is also right now we're working with the white on the sides. Right? It might be too brown. I think we should throw the green on and see how it looks first. I think green is the way to go. With the white walls and the white shelf, and then we're gonna have brown on the side. Yeah, just the vibe. I want to show them the finished product. I mean, like the decor is still yet to be moved around. Like you've seen a few things get moved around the room already, but it's kind of what the vibe is. This lamp got to be moved, but besides that and the tripod. Guys, if you'd like to see me do a full apartment tour of Shaq's place, let me know in the comments below and I might be able to make that happen. Before we get into the final cinematics of Shaq's new dream room, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And without further ado, this is the results of building his dream room in 24 hours.
Just can't let go of you. Nah, I just can't do it. I can't let go of you.